just made me do.
All right, how was it?
This shit was awesome, bro. We took down an entire fridge, nothing left. That shit was dope.
Did you have a good birthday?
On my way, y'all. I got my great birthday, great birthday. That shit was dope as hell.
All right, let's see the damage. Walk me through. Give me the tour. What do we do? What do we do? Oh my gosh! Yeah! Woo!
It was nothing.
I don't think you can even scrap that. Y'all killed everything.
That's awesome.
What you just made me do, look what you just made me do.